default ABAP trailer will be there. Here you have to select your service. So where you can see your services. So this is my service name. ZUI underscore C underscore travel underscore yeah. So once you click on the service, next here you have to choose our entity selection. Now I worked on the travel processor, right? So I will choose the travel processor and the table type. Here you can choose based on your requirement. So currently I'm choosing responsive. Next. Then you have to give your project attribute details. The project attribute details is nothing but already in previous video I told you the Z names. Application name, application title, and application namespace. Application namespace is nothing but your component name. And here the path. And down there will be an options if you want to do deployment or if you want to do Fiori Launchpad configuration. Yes, now I'm going to deploy this to our ABAP environment, right? So I selected SS, click on next. So once you select that, it is asking the destinations where you want to deploy. So you have to choose the destination, your ABAP. So this is the default ABAP repository. Then the ABAP repository name. So Z travel underscore app underscore demo. Send. Then you have to select the package also. So this package is nothing but this one. What this is the package I created in my Eclipse. So I'm going to enter that package here. Z travel app. Say Z travel underscore app underscore SIN. Then you have to enter the transport request. So if you know the transport request, whatever you created here automatically, then you can enter it here. In case if you don't know, choose from existing. So directly for this package, whatever the transports is there, the transports, it will display it here automatically. Now, so TRL, this is the transport. I created the package and everything. Next. And here for Launchpad configuration, it, it will ask the semantic object name and the action. So semantic object name, I'm going to give travel app something. So the action here is display. If you want to give a title, you can give yes. So this things is comes under the tiles details. Now you can see based on the data, all the Fiori listed app will be created. Yes, open the folder. Now you can see the app demo. Here you can see the all annotation files, annotation XML file or local service, what are the service you created, everything you can see it here. Now right click, preview the application. So once you here click on the preview application, you have to choose start demo app. Then the application will run here. Or if you don't know this, then you can use a command called npm start. That command you can use it for open terminal case. Now you can see the application. So if you see here I didn't use write any code. Just what I did is I just called my CDS view and annotations files here. That's it. There is no view controller, nothing. So this is the app. Yes, you can see the data. If you want to create a data, you can create anything. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to deploy this application in my ABAP Environment panel. So for that, file, and to open the terminal, what you have to do is select the application and click on the open terminal. There what you have to give npm, we need to navigate to cd space z travel underscore app underscore demo. So we have to go to this path. Here all are the projects I created till now. Now I'm going to deploy this project. For that, select the project, click on open integrated terminal. If you select this, directly it will go to this terminal. In case if it's not supported, just you have to navigate by using cd command. Then npm run deploy to deploy the platforms. So already I have given my package transport destination details, right? So it is asking you want to deploy in this destination. I selected yes. You can see in case if the target is true, then only it will deploy. If the target is false, it won't deploy. So before, if it's fail means what I will do is first I will run the app once and checking the target system. Yes. So done. It is deploying correctly. Now I'll deploy this also. npm run deploy. So you can see the details, everything here, destination, transports, package name, everything. If everything looks good, choose Y. Now the target system is connected correctly. Once the target system is true, so you can see the application deployed successfully. So now what you have to do is check the BSP library and SAP Fiori Launchpad description items in your Eclipse. So now go back to your Eclipse. Here you can see the BSP library, BSP application. Here C. I did two deployments. One is Z travel underscore SIN and another one is Z travel under app underscore care. These two things I deployed it here. Now what I'm going to create is create an IAM app and the business catalog. For that, what you have to do is select the and right click. If you want to create a new business application, you can create it here. Otherwise, just go to the package, new, other ABAP repository object. So here you have to enter the IA to create the catalog. Then here you have to give the name Z travel underscore IAM underscore. Now I'm going to do this right underscore ext and description if you want to give app. Yes. Then click on next. Then if already this thing is there, so what I will add this one here. It will show you the transports. Finish. Now the next step what you have to do is now right click on your IAM app and click on the activate. In case if it is not activated, just go through that and go to the and create your now I'm going to create a business catalog. For that, new other repository business catalog. Yes. Click on next. Give the business catalog name and description. Next. It is asking the transport. So now select the transport, click on finish. Assignable but not yet published. Then create a new business catalog. So after creating this, what you have to do is we have to assign this app to an existing business catalog. So if you already have created the business catalog, SI. So already I assigned it. In case if you didn't assign, you can assign it like this. Click on finish, transport, finish. Once it is done, what you have to do is publish. So now already it's published. If you didn't do, click on the publish locally. Then go to your app. Here give npm run deploy. Now the application is in the ABAP trailer business platform. Now you can see the variation of the URL. So already I logged in my BTP trail account, so I can see the application in a standard format. So this is the way you have to create your application and configuration steps to your Eclipse and finally deploy to your ABAP platform. So guys, if you like the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Please stay tuned for next videos. Thank you.